Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you to my local track. We are in Montagnana. This is the track where I grew up. When I was 6 years old, my grandfather would bring me here. And today we are celebrating the 30 years of this track. To celebrate the 30 years, they organized an old vintage day. So there are people from all over Italy and some from outside Italy that came here with their old bikes from the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, and they are here riding on the motocross track. I'm now gonna show you some of these really old bikes. I was amazed to see that in this event, not only they're bringing the bikes to show them, but they're actually riding them on the track and they're closing all the jumps. Obviously, we had to show up as well with something vintage, and we have here an old CR 250 two-stroke, which Domitilla is riding, and the mythical school bus, the coolest motorhome around the motocross tracks in Italy. I must say something. Today I watched Domitilla ride. She usually rides on a CRF 250 four-stroke, but she was actually riding faster with the CR 250. And then she got a flat tire and she was going even better with the flat tire.
A bit. I kept control, so it was fine.
But now, in a moment, all the vintage bikes here will do all together one lap in the motocross track, and Domitilla with her flat tire and her CR, she'll be in the group as well.
And I believe I'm also the only woman riding today here, of about 250 racers that raced in the 70s, the 80s, so super cool people. I'm very proud and very proud and very thankful for being here today.
And also to notice her nail polish.
Yes.